What is up, everyone? This is the Oklahoma Prepper. Today we're going to do a little bit of update, a little garden update, and then also a health update. So stick around, check the video out. We got the bear chasing us. Alright guys, so first things first, let's look at the garden. I went to the greenhouse yesterday and found some more plants on sale. So I got 2 more beefsteak tomatoes, 2 purple Cherokee, get out of there, tomatoes, jalapeno plant, and a, get out of there, cat, psst, and a habanero. Get out of there. My onions are doing pretty good. Let me turn this around so I can show you guys. That is the first tomato that I bought. It's doing okay. You can see right there that freaking little ball of soil. That is one of the first ones that I got, but a rabbit came out and ate it. So, and all up and down this line right here, from that stick all the way down, and then from right there all the way down, a small row right there, and then from about right there down is onions. I do need to get a hoe and start hoeing around a little bit. Got some weeds coming up there. But these are the new tomatoes. These 4, and then the jalapeno and the habanero right there. The jalapeno is actually, they were on sale for $1.99 a plant. And I hit it up. I didn't get as much as I wanted to, but look at this thing. This thing's already got some jalapenos on there. 2, 4, 6, 7. I think 7. 7 jalapenos. 7 jalapenos. The habaneros haven't produced anything yet. Of course, they're still, small. And neither are the tomatoes. Again, they're small too. But I did give them a little watering. I bought some new water hose and a new nozzle and some other garden equipment. So, like I said, I bought some soil, some little cells, those little 50-piece cells or whatever. And hopefully that'll be enough to start my new seeds, the seeds that I just got, the okras and all that stuff. So, also, this thing right here, she called it a mint chocolate plant. The tag on it said peppermint, but it smells like a peppermint patty, like a chocolate peppermint patty. It was really cool. And of course, I got a citronella because, it's always handy. Pretty good size citronella. My sister got me that. So yeah, because you can never, you're in Oklahoma. If you don't have a citronella plant, then you're not from here. The mosquitoes are bad, and that mint is good to keep ticks and flies, I think, away. Ticks and spiders, maybe? I can never remember. And those little offshoots that like this big thing hanging down, they will actually root out. So I actually trimmed a lot of them off yesterday and planted them in some other pots. And so I've got those things started. So I'm going to plant them kind of in different places around the yard. They say that not only is it healthy and safe for dogs, but dogs will actually seek them out and eat them when they're having upset stomachs. So that'll be kind of a good little treat, for the dogs, instead of just eating regular grass. So yeah, that's my garden update for right now. I'm gonna hang out in the shade for a little bit. It's a little warm out today. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go to the chair. Wow, guys, it's a beautiful day. It's not too hot, not too cold. Well, it's not cold at all, but it's definitely not too hot. Especially since we got a lot of rain a couple of days ago. It was real cloudy yesterday. Almost cool, almost cold yesterday, but not really. It was nice. I like it. Of course, I like cloudy. I'm not a big sun guy. As white as you can see that my head is, compared to, look at that, compared to the rest of my body. And of course, I always wear sunglasses because the light hurts my eyes. All right, guys, so health-wise, yesterday I went to the doctor to get a follow-up done on my CT scan. CT scan came back good. And she handed me 2 pieces of paper and said, sign them. I signed them, handed them back to her. She said, all right, we're going to put you under. Wow. I was not expecting that. So, and you guys know that I'm not really too thrilled about having to go through all this. I don't want to have surgery, but I'm ready to get this thing out because it's just causing me constant problems. Everything that I did, all of my preventative measures, everything that she treated me for, all the other stuff, everything that she was trying to rule out, nothing has come back on anything yet. The ulcers, nothing. So she's going to put me under. We're going to do an endoscope. So they're going to put a camera down my throat and let me throw stuff around. They're going to put a camera down my throat and see what they can see down there. And they're going to put one. They're going to do a colonoscopy as well. And I'm not looking forward to either one of them. Mainly because, like you guys know, I have a problem with being put under. I like to wake up in surgeries, and that's not good. The bear's here. There, right, bear. We don't like surgery. No. The bear. Yeah. And the lady, she's not here yet. She's still out there in the house. What are you sniffing? No, get down. All right. Stop. All right, so, that's going to be scheduled for the 7th. I'm not taking it I'm not taking it lightly at all. I'm absolutely, stop. Sorry about that. He was just getting a little bit too crazy for me. But anyways, I'm absolutely not looking forward to that at all. Some kind of spider crawling on my arm. I'm absolutely not looking forward to that whatsoever. So I'm a little bit worried, as you guys can imagine. Like I said before, I don't do well with being put under. I wake up in all of my procedures, and I'm afraid that I might wake up and, I'm not worried about the colonoscopy waking up in, but I'm worried about during the endoscopy, because they have to have your head tilted a certain way, and it's got to stay there. And if I wake up, then I'm going to try to move my head, and that could hurt me. That could cause a lot of problems. So, yeah, I'm really worried about that. Oh, dang it. But what can I do? just keep on trucking. So tonight, anyways, tonight I'm going to get started on putting that soil down in the cells, try to get some seeds planted and started, and go from there. Hopefully we can start some good vegetables and stuff and some fruits. I got watermelons. I forgot to get cantaloupe again. Dang it, I forgot. But I'll get some cantaloupe. I got some watermelons, cucumbers, squash, tomatoes, jalapenos, okra. I think that's it. So yeah, we're just gonna see how that plays out. Get them started tonight, and I really think it might be a little late because this video has actually been recorded the day that it was posted. Like I just recorded it. So by the time for those my viewers that watch my videos, you know, that have notifications to my videos, I just recorded this video. So, yep. And then I've got yards. I've got my sister's yards to do tomorrow. Actually, I need to do them today, but I'm waiting on a package from UPS. And this guy likes to chew everything. I've already lost 3 packages. I've already had 3 packages ruined because of this guy. So I gotta wait until UPS delivers my packages, and then I can do whatever I need to do. And the stuff that I've got getting delivered is not cheap either. So yeah. Really quick before I cut this video, I'm going to give you guys an update on my cactus. So real quick, let's go take a look. I know it's windy, guys. I hope y'all can hear me. It actually just got windy here a few minutes ago. There's the first one. There's another one. There's the other one. There's another one. And this one's the biggest one. This one I threw down a little later. I think it was last fall. You can see it right in the middle there. And I hit it with a weed eater the other day, so I was like, no, gonna cover it. And if you guys remember, there's a reason this one right here is in a tire, and this one you can see it was in a tire, is because they were so small that I was hitting them with the weed eater. So I was like, I'm gonna wait, you know, I'm gonna cover them, not trim them too much until they're grown enough to where I don't have to worry about hitting them. And so I think these guys are big enough now. I need to get my leaf blower out here and blow them off because I don't like having grass on them. But yeah, these are the ones. If you guys remember, all I did was I cut a piece off and just threw them down, and did not even do anything with them. Didn't water them, didn't, you know, plant them. I just threw them on the ground, and they're coming up really well. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody that's commented on all my videos. I'm sorry I haven't been able to comment back. I will. I've just been switching over between accounts. But thank y'all all so much for all the kind words, all the thoughts, all the prayers that you guys been sending me, and you know, all that good stuff. And you know, regarding my health, some days are still better than others, or should I say some days are worse than others, because most of my days are just completely just not great anyway. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. Stay safe and keep prepping.